old driveway stretched out wide. Hand brush job, nowhere to hide. Entrance cracked like a spider web. Years of wear, asphalt half dead. Edges cut clean and weeds sent a packing. Hot rubber starts flowing and cracks start relaxing. Working it slow, we put it on thick. Get job done right, done neat and not quick. Oh, stretched out, seal brush in hand, seal brush in hand. This ain't no spray, this ain't no spray. Let's take command. Work it slow and push it deep. Fill them cracks and watch them weave. Hand brush black, all nice and thick. Seal it right, yeah, that's the trick. Cracks up front, yeah, that's the test. Do it once, we do it best. Then I hear a snort, a grunt, a squeal. Thought I lost my mind, but it was real. Neighbor's pig comes strutting right on through. Wants no job, just something to do. Hand brush black, job's right on track. Sealcoat crew, don't scare easy Mac. Pig on site, mud on their feet. Just another day on asphalt street. We laughed it off, kept brushing strong, 'cause chaos always tags along. Hand brush dry, hand brush dry.